Oh, I have one more thing. Do you care how fast I shoot?
You got 5 shots. Take them out as you want.
All right. Yoo-hoo! Take my last shot.
Take your last shot. You got cans out there.
There's pop cans out there too.
I think that was a no, never mind.
All right. Yeah, you feel good.
There you go.
There you got it.
Just to the right.
And you're ready to fire whenever you're ready.
Back.
A little bit to the left.
Oh yeah, I got the
Okay, doing good. You got it. Up just a little bit and to the left. Nice, really close. We'll give you one more. No way!
Oh, kill him!
Oh yeah, I felt that.
It's probably tough to judge your aim on that first pull, huh? A little low.
There's one more can.
Oh yeah, I see it.
To the right there.
Aim higher.
Yeah, that's it. Yep. What am I doing?
Hitting right.
Right?
Nice.
It's over, but it's knocked over. It's just
You can hit the other ones again too. They'll
Take it go.
How are the cans doing? Nice.
I think there's one that's still there.
Where's the one?
It's the
Right
farthest to the right. You can just see the white of it. But you can shoot the other ones if you want. They just want to explode.
That was close.
Yep. You're hella close every single time.
Oh, it was an accidental
They have
video. It was
smaller
like 2
hands.
seconds.
Yeah.
Oh. Did I shoot over there?
No. You're fine.
That's
I think
really
something
bad.
Hit over there.
It's okay. Deep breath. Relax. Gun's not going to hurt you. There you go.
Second one was my favorite. That's my favorite memory is when I was just running to this guy.
What's that?
Oh,
That's the one it's going to. Keep
Oh,
shooting.
just, okay.
I'm going to take a shot of this one too. Is that cool?
You remember that?
Some magazine out.
Peter?
Good job. You got it.
How far do you...
Yeah, I'm pre-compensating for that.
Yep.
That's all ready?
Yep. Just push the slide down. Good to go.
Alright. What am I doing?
That one looked like it was low left. It's pretty good.
A little low left. That was pretty center, I think.
Yeah, that was pretty simple.
It's out.
Little bit of a twitch.